Everyone, welcome to Virtuous Eunice's Kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make carrot juice, most especially for your eyes. Please, if you are having eye problem, please try this remedy and it will surely work for you. Okay? So, let's get started. These are my carrots, okay, and a bottle of water. I'm going to use my blender, but if you have the juicer, it's good to use the juicer because you are just juicing the water directly from the carrots. But because I don't have a juicer, I'm going to use my blender and a bottle of water. Okay? Please, guys, if your eyes are itching, please try this remedy. It's going to help you greatly. It has helped me. It has also helped my sweet mother. Guys, try this remedy. If your eyes are getting dim, just try and do the same remedy that I'm doing. Okay guys, always get your cheesecloth and the sheet. sure your hands are clean. Okay? Please don't throw the chaff away. I'm going to use this chaff to bake carrot bread. Okay? So refreshing. Oh, thanks for watching. Remember, a virtuous woman must strive to keep her family healthy. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. God bless.